Mi Famil, Alex here. And before ko simula ng aking vacation journey, here are the clips muna of our year-end party. And my first fact is that this is my first school party. Because of my religion, my restrictions, bawal akong makisali sa mga Christmas parties. Kaya thankful ako na meron kaming year-end parties.
Hi, Mi Family. It's Alex. As of now, nag-ayos ako dahil nag-i-impact kami para bukas. Hindi. Mamayang madaling araw dahil pupunta na kami ng Pampanga muna. I think, yes. Pampanga, tapos travel doon. Travel. And then, pupunta na kami sa Pangasinan. Doon na kami mag-New Year. It's been a while since I've come there. Mga 2 plus years, 3 years, I forgot na. So, habang nag-aayos ako dito, dito na isisingit yung ilan sa mga facts about me. Siyempre, nakalista dito. Ayun. So, my first fact about me is that I am a fan of American and Korean dramas. One of my favorite American dramas is The Good Doctor. It's about an autistic doctor na he continues to, you know, maganda siya. About an autistic doctor, kung paano niya hinahandle yung severe cases despite his disability. And one of my favorite Korean drama is the latest one, Twinkling Watermelon. If you like teensy, coming of age dramas, yung mga time travel, partial time travel drama. It's a very good one. Very, very good storyline. Ano pa ba? Second, second fact, I'm a very big Harry Potter fan. I already took the wizarding test, and I am a Ravenclaw. I forgot my wand, but my Patronus is a pheasant. Hindi ko alam kung anong pheasant to. Ako din, hindi ko alam. Basta para siya ibon, parang yun. Third, ano ba to? Eto. At my left arm, dislocated siya. Maybe way back 2012 nangyari to. Dahil sa kaliputan. Siyempre, bata. Hindi, malikot na talaga ako ng bata. Kaya, dislocate. Hindi na namin pinaayos. Kasi takot ako sa doktor. Diba? Basta mag-doktor, pero takot mag-doktor. Another fact, ito. Greatest fear, hindi alam ng iba. Takot ako sa heights. Dati, takot akong umakyat ng hagda, yung mga overpass. Hindi ko kaya yung mga ganun. But over time, I tried to conquer it and naging successful naman. Ayun. Next, tinitignan ako. MBTI ko, I am an INTJ. Yes, introvert po ako. Hindi naman halata. Well, many things, lalo na yung mga nagiging newly close friends ko na hindi ako introvert. Kasi once na I started bonding with other people, lalo na wala yung pagka-introvert ko. Pero never akong nag-initiate ng conversation unless kailangan. Hindi mo ako mapag-initiate ng conversation lalo na sa hindi ko kailangan. Pero pag kilala ko na, nakapalagay ang loob ko na, Hindi na. Nagwawal na. Nagwawal. Next fact. Ito. I can speak a little bit French. And nakakaintindihan ako ng simple French conversations. Kailangan nyo ng sample? Sige. Papakilala ako. Bonjour, je m'appelle Alexander, je suis 16. Kalimutan ko na. 16 years old. Basta 16 years old. Yun. That's simply, hello, my name is Alexander. I started studying it nung pandemic dahil wala akong magawa. Ang ginawa ko lang nun ay nilata, matulog, kahit sa online classes. The reason I studied French din nun was because of this fact na ang dream destination ko ay France at Switzerland, which is mostly French-speaking countries. Siyempre, France. Yun. Sisingit ko lang natitirang tatlo sa vlog. Ayan. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-ayos.
Hello guys, now we're on our way to Pampanga para pumunta sa Dinosaur Island. Ayan. It was fun. Nag-enjoy kami, especially yung mga bata naming pinsan. Another fact, it was our first time, me and my sister, na mag-travel nang hindi kasama ang parents namin. So, ayun, walang mga naninigaw sa amin, ganyan. Kidding aside, it was very fun and we enjoyed it. And bago kami pumunta ng Pangasinan, ayan, kumain muna kami sa Kabalen Buffet sa SM Clark. Kitang-kita nyo ang aking pinsan na enjoy sa pagkain. The food was good. It is a good buffet featuring Filipino dishes. Yes. Dahil nabagot ako sa bahay, ayan, sumama ako sa mga tita ko para sa early New Year's shopping dito sa CSI Alaminos. Ayan, wala rin akong nagawa dyan. Ayan, nung makarating na yung parents ko sa Pangasinan, we went to Tondol Beach at Anda, Pangasinan. It is one of the best beach I've ever went to. And here at the sunset at Anda Beach was probably one of my favorite sunsets. And last fact about me is that I love sunsets, especially when they're at bridges. So yun. And before the year ended, bumisita kami sa bahay ng mga lolo ko sa father side. Hi guys, editing Alex here. Sorry dahil madilim na tsaka mababa ang boses ko dahil patuloy na yung mga kasama ko. Bago matapos yung vlog, I just wanna say that Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. May you all have a bountiful and prosperous New Year. And thank you for watching my vlog for the whole entirety of it. That's it. And my name is Alex and thank you for watching. Ciao, mi famille. Bon voyage. Bye.